Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you my two favourite apps to design your Instagram posts. So let's get straight into it. So first of all we have Canva. Let's have a click on that. Open it up and see what it's like. So, new templates are out, no, don't notify me. So here we have Canva. This is the app interface. We have the home page where it says Instagram, Facebook cover, Snapchat geo filter, all of these different things you can design. I'm going to click on Instagram, okay? And from there you want to choose one of these layouts which you'll use for your Instagram design, okay? I'm going to pick this one just, let me think, this one just here. Need more sleep. And then what I'm going to do is tap on this background image and put a different image in the background. So I'm going to use this one I've got in my camera library, in my photo library on my phone. And then I'm going to change this text to, let me click on that and double tap to change the text, okay? So now you can start typing the ultimate Instagram marketing course, awesome, and then center that, nice. And then what do we want to do next? Okay, so this is just like the Canva website, but it's also on an app. So you can do basically whatever you want. You can change the font like so. Let's see what looks best. EXO, that looks good. Now we just need to make that a slight bigger. There we go. And just center that again. There we go, nice. And now we're going to change the text color, size, sorry, not the color, by clicking on this 88 and making it as big as possible. I think that'll be good. That should be good. Let's see. I think that's a slight bit too big. There we go. That is good. And center that again. Nice. Done. And what else can we do with the text? We can make it italic. Like so. Let's see. Does it look better italic or not italic? I'd say it looks better italic. Let's leave it like that. And then we can also bold it like so. So that's now bold as well. So there we go. That looks good. I like it. I'm happy with it. And then what we can do is click off of that. And then we can go to filters and change the filter that we're using so that the background image looks different. So it's not just the same as what I already had. Wow, this looks nice. There's some quite nice ones here, I'm not going to lie. Ooh, that's nice. Let's keep going though, keep seeing what else there is. No, that looks perfect, I like that. Advanced, okay, let's see what else we can do. You can completely change the colour of it, which is awesome. Let's go to that blue, see what colour it makes it. Okay. Looks good, I like it. Let's leave it at this then. Let's leave it at that purpley colour. So let's click done. Let's click off and let's click share. And from the share button, it's just going to go through the photo to save it for you. And then what I'm going to do is click save image. This will save it to your photo library. Enjoy using Canva? I'm going to say not really because I don't want to have to give feedback, okay? So then I'm going to click done. And from there, all you have to do is go to the Instagram app, like so, Instagram, and go to new photo. And then there's your photo. We've just designed it and it's already there. So that is awesome. So let's click next, next. Will be published next week. ... Okay, okay, and share. So that's just a quick design we've done using the Canva app. So that's absolutely awesome. And now let's close this and look at our next app. So now we have by crop. So let's click on this. And you can either take a photo using the big button on the left or use photos from your gallery using the button on the right. So we're going to use photos from our gallery and go to camera roll, scroll all the way up, and we're going to click on this one just, which one? This one here. This one looks good. And then if it doesn't fit the Instagram size, as you can see there's white borders around it, all you have to do is click the button on the bottom left, click that, and then click once again the one on the bottom left. So there we go. If it's too short, click the one on the bottom left. If it's too thin, click the one on the bottom right. Okay, there you go. So then you can rotate it like this, or flip it like this. And you can also flip it the other way, but I'm not interested in that. So let's leave it like this. Awesome. So the next one we have is this second one here, which I've highlighted. So we click on that and you can change the colors of the background. If you look like this, you can see the background colors changing, but the background color obviously does not matter in this case. So we're going to ignore that. And then we have the next thing, which is patterns. So we can of course ignore them as well, because once again that's just changing the background pattern. So we don't want to do that, do we? So we'll just ignore that as well. Put the photo back into the middle. Awesome. And then we have this little color wheel, which gives you loads of different themes you can put onto your image. Different styles. And then as you see, these last ones that have the little blue tick on, they require the user rates and reviews the app to get some more free filters. Okay, so yeah, that's like that. So these are all different filters you can choose. So yeah, that's awesome. And then we have the little wand with the star on the end. With that you can just change the lighting. So as you can see, if we go to light effects, we can go through these different ones here. You can pay for these ones here which have stars next to them. And then if we go back to the wand and have a look at vintage, there's a load of different vintage styles we can add to this, like so. Just puts a nice vintage style on top of the image. I think we might actually keep that one, to be honest. Oh, didn't mean to click that. I think we might actually keep that one there. Yeah, that's good. Oh wait, no, not that one. Clicked on the wrong one. Not sure if you can hear that, but somebody is actually cutting their grass in the background, so that's annoying. But oh well, just ignore it. So yeah, we'll pick that one and then we'll tick it. And then we can change the shape of it. We can add text, and yes, that's awesome. You can also click that little eye to get more information about the app. So yeah, and then the plus icon, you can get more patterns and all these different things. You can get more shapes, you can get more patterns and more light effects, more fonts, all of these different things. So if we click install next to these here, as you can see, it says it costs $1.99. So I'm going to click cancel, and obviously you can see it says cancel by user. So yeah, it costs $1.99 for everything, and that also removes the adverts as well. So that could be useful, to be honest. It could be useful for sure. And then we have text. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the shadow of the text and all that different stuff there. But we don't want to do that. So yeah, all you want to do is click share, and then you can share it straight to Instagram or save it to your phone or Facebook, Twitter, email or message. So yeah, that's that. That's all I've got to say for this video. These two apps are fantastic and I use them both a lot. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.